I'll show you what's going on in the trains. Look, this is incoming train. Let's see how many people get out. Look, normally it's fully packed. Look, holy shit, it's like 1% of the population. This shit is bonkers. Bonkers, dude. 1% of population. Huh? Brooklyn? Yeah, this way. I think this is Brooklyn only. I think there's only Brooklyn from this line. It goes down. Yeah. I think he doesn't want to get with me because I'm Asian. I don't know if he comes in, he's nah. I'm not sure either. This is my first time. So this is we're right here. We're right here. There's only lines going down. Can't believe a guy is asking me about Brooklyn. I think he just didn't want to get in and try to play it off like directions. Yeah. So this is my first time taking G train. We're here, and obviously from here, there's only going down. This is like the beginning of, this is the end stop of Uptown, and then we go downtown. Hello? Hello? He's asking about Brooklyn. What? It's the only way to Brooklyn. Look, it's empty. Empty, dude. 1% of the population. 99% is all gone, dude. Empty. It's like a ghost town. Holy moly. Holy moly. I'm trying to guard this place so nobody could get in here when I arrive. But this is like the first stop, so eventually when the trains start going, there's gonna get people coming. On the guard spot right here. Actually, people, that's the only door open, so they're gonna resound here. So I'm gonna guard over there, near the end over there. This is insane, dude. I never experienced such thing like this. Dude, I should have brought my tripod. I should have bought a tripod. I need to take a picture right here. This is ludicrous.